Hey everybody, at UPR Products we've got another new catch can out for you guys. Shelby GT500 has been out, Ford Supercharger, Mustang, and you guys are going nuts modifying the thing. So this is for the Gen 5 Whipple on a GT500. When you guys put these Gen 5 Whipples on, a lot of guys are going to actually put bigger intercooler tubes, which is going to go down in an area where our current catch can for the stock GT500 fits. So to fix that problem, we actually came up with this whole new bracket and can just for you guys. This bracket goes on the hood strut tower stud, so you just kind of loosen the stud a little bit, put this bracket on, slide on. You don't have to take the whole stud out. We've got our quick release knob, so you can actually remove the whole catch can from the bracket and walk away with it. The billet top bracket, which is clockable, so you can actually turn this catch can really easily and make it fit just perfect on your GT500. And then of course you have your UPR Continental hose with the plug and play fittings. So just snaps on, nice satisfying click, plugs into your Whipple Supercharger, and now you're ready to go. You're gonna keep that nasty oil and all that junk out of the supercharger and keep your tune crispy. Just take your 4-ounce can off, walk away, dump it out. You get your UPR billet diffuser in there, and this is gonna protect your investment for both your Mustang and your Gen 5 Whipple. Get yours at uprproducts.com or at any UPR dealer today.